it's Ruby, and today I'm going to be showing you a long-awaited desk tour. So I have not actually at all shown you my university desk since I've been here, and I've been here for quite a long time now, so I really should have shown you by now. But nonetheless, I really hope that you enjoy seeing how I've organised my desk. So in short, this is my desk. To give you a very brief overview, it's massive. The desks that we got in our university rooms are actually huge. I love having so much space. I'm going to start by showing you the pin board because this is the thing that I recently put together, and I actually filmed me putting it together, which I might put up on my channel at some point. So I really wanted to go for a star theme / space theme. I love astronomy and I love the night sky, and so I thought that this would be quite an inspiring board for me to look at when I was studying. You know, the sky's the limit kind of thing. Also, I have got a desk light, which is very bright. So as you can just about see in this shot, my kitchen area is just here. So this area I decided to make more assimilated with my kitchen area and my kitchen stuff because I didn't quite have enough room for me to put all of these things on the side in the kitchenette. So I've basically just got this little wooden container from IKEA where I've got all of my cutlery and utensils. Then behind that I've got a massive hand sanitizer, which I love. And then I've got these 2 jars from IKEA. This one's for oats, and I've very recently just run out of oats. And then I've also got this little dish which says, "Always remember that you are loved." Then on this side of my desk, here I've got a little coaster where I keep a glass of water all the time. I've also got a tea bag holder here which says tea makes everything better. Then I've got my clock, which has run out of batteries and I haven't managed to find the right batteries yet, so I've got a clock that doesn't work. Then I've got my Vitamin Buddy subscription box, which is basically, it gives you a set of vitamins to take every day. And then here I've got some stationery, so I've got this little jar which says "Shine like the stars," fitting with the theme of the pin board. And I've just got some pens that I use a lot in here. I've got another hand sanitizer, pumpkin pie chapstick, this fake candle stick because I'm not allowed real candles, and then a ruler. And then here I've got a small stack of notebooks with my study planner on the top, my bullet journal, this white lines paper, some of my study planners, and then my journal. Not my journal, my diary, my moleskin. Now I'm going to show you what's in my drawers. Okay, very weird angle, but hopefully it's the best way of showing you this. It doesn't look that tidy, to be fair, but it is all organised. So I've got my hard drive here. Then in here I keep some pens. So in this pencil case I keep colouring pencils. In this pencil case I keep highlighters, pastel stabilos at the front here, and then on the inside I keep my mild liners, colouring pens, and I've also got a few brush pens from Stationery Island which they kindly sent to me. Then I've got my pencil case which has just got the rest of my stationery in. So then I've got some flashcards here, I've got my fine liners, then I've got loads of my study planners, and then here I've got lots of notebooks. This has got the rest of my stationery in it. I've got this big box here, and I've got all of my washi tapes in this bag. I've got miscellaneous stationery in this bag. I've got stamps in this bag. Then I've got some watercolour paints. I've got my page anchor. You use it to keep your book open when you're studying, and it's really cool. Again, this was sent to me by the company. Then I've got this Lumia Sum soft toy. I like to use these as board rubbers. I use that for my whiteboard. And then I've got Bluetooth keyboard that I use for when I'm typing on my phone or on my iPad. And I've also got this iPad holder. Oh, and then in here I keep push pins. In here I've got some sticky notes. I've got my hole punch, I've got some paper clips, these are some more sticky notes, which actually, to be fair, I should just put in there. I've got some more flashcards down here as well, and then I've got this little organiser where I keep my address book and this daily habit tracker. I've got some glue sticks and rubber bands in here, and then I've got my stapler here. I also keep my calculator, and then I've also got this box, which is from IKEA, and it's actually a butter box, but I quite like the box anyway. So I've got some more paper clips, and I've also got these really nice page markers which my friend Natasha got me as a leaving for university present, which is very sweet. So then lastly, in the bottom drawer, this is my messiest drawer and it is my miscellaneous drawer. Kind of, you could say my junk drawer, I guess, but I still try to keep it organised. Basically, I like to keep my cameras at the front here. My vlogging camera, which I'm actually filming on at the moment, and I've also got my GoPro. Then I've got a reading light. I've got some LED tea lights in here. Then in this box here, I like to keep all of my room decoration stuff. So I've got lots and lots of photos for if I want to change up my pin boards. And I collect postcards, I've got those too. I've got some ornaments. Then in this box, I keep batteries. And I've also got this little bag where I keep batteries that need to be recycled. I've got lots of cards back here that I've been sent. My DVD drive, some balloons which my mum's friend Serena sent me, sunglasses, some truffles, like vegan truffles, playing cards. As you can see, this has got, this is actually a box from Trainline, but I'm not using it for Trainline stuff. I'm using it for lots of wires, and I find it so hard to make my wires look organised. But I do like to label them with washi tape so that I can easily find the wire I'm looking for. On the side I've got a mini... I've got some blackcurrant squash because I like drinking blackcurrant squash. I've got this really nice White Company room diffuser, which is an orange rind. Then here I like to keep my iPad just on top of this box. And I've also got my Apple Pencil on the side. Then I've got this speaker, which I use for playing music. Then, yeah, of course. I've got a lunchbox here as well, and then in this box here I like to keep all of my hats, gloves and scarves. So now onto this compartment here, and at the front you can see I've got this brown box which has got loads more notebooks in. I have so many notebooks, it's really bad. And on top of that as well, I've got this mini clipboard which I got from Kiki K, and I love this. I've also got, if you can see, I've got this picture which is of my whole year group from my last year of school. Can you spot me in the photo? It's just a nice little reminder of school. So I've got some recipe books. I do theology, so I've obviously got my Bible. I've got some calligraphy books, some hygge book. Then I've also got on the end here some magazines. So I've got a subscription to both the National Geographic and the New Yorker, so I just keep some issues of that there. And then the third compartment here is a nice compartment. I like this one. In the middle you can see I've got a feather quill, which unfortunately actually when we were brought it down to university it cracked slightly, and that's why it's on a plate. Then in this magazine holder I've got like my meal tracker, some parchment paper, random things. And I've got my display folder and a whiteboard. Then on this side I've got my diffuser, I've got some sellotape back here, and I've got lots of letter writing supplies here. So up here, as you can see, I've got all of my folders. These are my RS A-level notes. I just thought I'd bring them with me to university, and they have proved quite useful, to be fair. Then this folder's for all of my YouTube stuff. This is a spare folder. This is a spare folder. This is for all of my university academic stuff. This is for organisation, so in terms of finance. These are flashcards. I've got some tea in here, my delightful Coraline doll at the back. In short though, these are fiction books and these are books which I've got out from the library. And then lastly on the end here, I have my Harry Potter shelf. I had to bring all of my Harry Potter DVDs with me to university, and I've also got this wand. So at university, I'm in Harry Potter Society, and we had a craft social near Halloween where we made wands. Prisoner of Azkaban illustrated edition. This card which my friend Alexa got me, and I've got this bookvelope which has the Marauders map on it. I've also got some DVDs, and these aren't to do with Harry Potter but they're still here. So that is officially my desk tour for university. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you have a productive week.